Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how to create a privacy policy page with WordPress in one click. Okay, so in order to be able to create your privacy policy page with WordPress, you have to log into your admin account user in your website. And then, as you can see here in the dashboard, you go down below settings, you have the privacy tab. Just go in, click on that, and then you will be able to create your new privacy policy page just by clicking this. You have a template, of course, it's just a suggested text. You have to consult with your lawyer in order to be able to go through all of the rules of the privacy policy in your country. Now, after you've done that, just click on create and edit your page. It will redirect you to your new privacy policy page with all of the templates. And as you can see right here, you have the suggested text. You can edit it, delete it, or add, of course, more comments, paragraphs, and titles in order to be able to fit to your privacy policy laws in your country. Now, after you've done that, just publish the page. I suggest not to index it, but put it on the footer so every user will be able to go inside that page and read about your privacy policy on your website. And this is how you do it. Just create a template using WordPress for privacy policy page, publish it, and then put it on the footer. It's very easy using Elementor, of course, or it's very easy by using a template or a theme with your privacy policy page, as this is set as a privacy policy page, not as a normal page. So WordPress will fit that page and put it in every place that it, of course, related to a privacy policy page. As you saw, it's very easy to create a privacy policy with WordPress. Of course, you need a lawyer in order to verify it, but it's with WordPress on one click. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below when I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.